Hey there, Pretty Plant Girl here. So I am about to go on a vacation in the middle of seed sowing time, and I'm a little concerned about my seedlings because I'm going to be gone for close to a week, and I don't want anything to dry out, and I don't have a plant sitter. So I've grabbed some wicking fabric. I've had this for years. I bought it to use out in my greenhouse to make a giant wicking mat, and I never did that. So I've just cut it to size to fit in the bottom of my seed trays. And then it is very absorbent. So you just can fill the tray with a good amount of water. And it'll absorb that water. Now that was probably a little more than I need, but that's okay. And then I can take my seedlings. Now these are some petunias I just transferred over here. So the roots aren't really down there soaking up the moisture much. So it helps if you have some roots that can reach down to that, but the soil will also soak it up. Put them in my tray here. And now there's going to be extra moisture even after the plants have drank up what's in the tray. There'll still be extra moisture in that mat. It holds quite a bit and it's very absorbent, but it'll let the moisture out and it'll help to water these seedlings while I'm gone. I've also cut some to put in my small trays, so let's see how they fit. Set that in the bottom like that. A little bit of moisture in there. Set my seed tray back on. Now they're not going to be sitting in a bunch of water, just waterlogged and soggy, but there'll be moisture there for the roots, especially with these plants where the roots are a little bit more established, to suck that moisture up out of that wicking mat and help to keep them moist for just a little bit longer. So I'll let you know how this turned out when I get back, but that's my plan for my plants while I'm gone. Have you used this method before? Let me know in the comments down below. Thanks for watching. Bye.